interconnection of two port network. Okay, clear? What is our motto? Our motto today I have discussed corresponding to interconnection of two port network. Okay, how to connect? Suppose that a network NA, that is NA, and second one is NB, like this one. There is NA and here that is NB. Okay, and this one corresponding to this one, that is port 1 and port 2. Here port 1, here port 2, here port 1, here port 2, corresponding to network NA and corresponding to network NB. Here that is we have like this one, IA1, I1A. Okay, similarly I2A corresponding to I2A. Okay, like this one, and voltage corresponding to port 2 is 2A. Similarly here corresponding to IB, so making like this one, that is 1B and that is I1B. Okay, now here I2B and here I2B corresponding to incoming, that is outgoing, corresponding to V2B. Clear? This is the network NA and this is network NB. How to connect? There are 5 types connection possible. First one series, second one parallel, third one series parallel, next one parallel series, and last one cascade connection. Okay, so first of all series interconnection. Series interconnection. First one series, here write series interconnection. Better to write here interconnection. Okay, so first one we have discussed corresponding to series interconnection. Series interconnection means port 1 in series and port 2 in series. Port 1 in series and port 2 also in series. Okay, also in series. Series means current are same. Okay, I know that. So this one and this one, this current are same, and voltage, that is V1, and here I1 current, here I1. Okay, now same thing, this is the port 1 is in series, so all current are same. Now port 2 is also in series, that's why make like this one, and this one corresponding to, that is V2. Okay, that is I2 current, here I2 current. Okay, now V1 is equal to V1A plus V1B, V1A plus V1B. Okay, and V2 this equal to V2A plus V2B, written corresponding to this one. Okay, what about current? I1 this equal to I1A, this equal to I1B. Similarly I2 this equal to I2A, this equal to I2B. Okay, I2 this equal to I2A and I2A this equal to I2B. That's why written as like this one. Clear or not? Now corresponding to this one, you can write V1 V2 V1 V2 corresponding to V1A V2A plus written as V1B plus V2B. Okay, now I know that V1A corresponding to this network, you can write now V1A V2A is written as Z11A Z12B Z21A Z22A, and this one I1A and I2A. Okay, means this is ZA and that is I1A and I2A, and that is V1A and that is V2A. Okay, means this one is written as corresponding to this one. Similarly, this one is also written as corresponding to, that is ZB and I1B and I2B. Okay, so you can say V1 V2 corresponding to I1A I1B and I2B. I1B is written as I1 and I2B is written as I2. Okay, so similarly also here ZA is I1 and here I2, because I1A this is equal to I1, I2A this is equal to I2, that's why. And here also ZB written corresponding to I1 and I2. Okay, if this value put here corresponding to this one and this one, that is Z1 and Z2 and that is I1 and here I2. Okay, and this one is also written as Z I1 and I2. Okay, now if compare this one, then we got overall Z is written as ZA plus ZB. Okay, clear or not? Very simple. First of all, how can determine? First of all, if this circuit corresponding to given network A and NB corresponding to, what about equivalent overall, that is Z? If port 1 is series and port 2B also series, then overall Z parameter corresponding to equivalent, that is corresponding to, we got Z, that is ZA plus ZB. Okay, sometime question asking determine H parameter and given like this one. I know that first of all determine which type of connection, that is series. Clear? After that you connect, you compute ZA ZB and finally ZA plus ZB this is equal to Z, and this one is converted after that H parameter. Okay, if asking determine H parameter in circuit given like this one. Okay, like clear? Now first of all make it. The condition for interconnection. Okay, what is the condition corresponding to interconnection? Okay, now before making the complete interconnection connection. First of all, before making the interconnection, open the circuit, open corresponding to here, that is plus minus Vc. Okay, first check the open circuit voltage, open circuit voltage Vc. If Vc this be equal to 0, if Vc is equal to 0, there is no problem, no problem in interconnection. Okay, means that is short circuit. If this one is short circuit, means this current and this current are same, means this we got Z, we calculate ZA plus ZB, and that is Z overall. Okay, so practically before interconnection making, we connect this one is an open circuit, we got open circuit, and connect voltage voltmeter. If voltmeter reading is 0, means voltage corresponding to Vc is 0. If Vc is 0, it means that is this interconnection is effective, because of this one we want to short circuited, that's why. But if Vc is not 0, means there will be if this is not 0, means Vc is not 0, means some current corresponding to this one. Okay, that is, you can say that circulating current. If circulating current flow here like this one, then okay, that is IC here, it means I2A minus IC, and here I1A plus IC, and here I1B plus IC, and here I2 minus IC. Clear? Means this current and this current is not equal, and this current and this current is not equal, because of after Vc is not 0, we got IB plus IC, IB1 plus IC. According to two-port network, I know that if here I1 current and here I1 dash current, only we got Z parameter if this current are equal. If I1 this equal to I1 dash, then we got Z parameter. Otherwise, if I1 is not equal to I1 dash, it means not got corresponding to Z parameter or any parameter. Okay, this is the effect corresponding to port 1 or port 2. Port 1 or port 2. If port 2, then I2 current and I2 dash current. Okay, so clear what I am saying? So written as there will be the circulating current flowing. Okay, clear? If Vc is not 0, then circulating current are flowing corresponding to here, like this one. So you can say that, clear or not what I am saying? So written here, if Vc is not 0, that is circulating current IC is not 0. Okay, due to IC is not 0, I1 is not equal to I1 dash. Clear or not? due to, if circulating current is not 0, then I1, this I1 is equal to not I1 dash, means you can say that individually port property is vanish, means I1 is not equal to I1 dash, not allow, okay, not allow interconnection, clear or not? How can allow? With the help of isolating transformer. How can allow? Written here. So interconnection should be made using electrical isolation to avoid VC. Okay, so next target is how can make electrical isolation, means isolating transformer. We use isolating transformer. How can utilize? So first of all, now again this one and this one. If you want to this type of connection again, okay, that is NA, here NB, okay. Now this one, okay. After that here this one and this one, always 1:1 ratio, that is V2A, V2B, clear? If 1:1 ratio, then we got corresponding to here also V2B, okay. Now and this one, that is V2, here V1A, V1B, and here I1, that is V1, I1A, I2A, here I2A, sorry, I1B, and that is I2A, I2B, here I2B, that is I2B, sorry, I2A, here, clear or not? I2A, and here I2, and here I2, simple. There is no electrical isolation, no electrical path, okay. In here no electrical path. If no electrical path available, then it means that is very simple, no circulating current, okay. No electrical path available here, so no circulating current are available. So how can make corresponding to this one? So after that, using isolating transformer, we got charging current is 0. If charging current is 0, then what about VC? VC is also 0. Okay. First of all make it, after that we have focus on another interconnection method. First of all make it. Now next one, parallel interconnection in two-port network. So second one is parallel interconnection. Okay. Now parallel interconnection. How can make? Parallel means port 1 is in port 1 series, parallel, and port 2 also parallel. What is the meaning of this one? Clear or not? So how can make? Suppose that a network NA here and B. Very simple. First of all make corresponding to here, that is NA, that is NB. This one is NA and that is NB. I1A, I1, I1B, I1B. Okay. V1A, V1B. Here V2A, V2B. I2A, I2B, I2B. Okay, there is two network. Now our motor port 1 is a parallel. Parallel means like this one, that is V1 voltage. Here connect, and this one also connect like this one, parallel. Both voltage are same. Here current I1. So V1A, this be equal to V1B, this be equal to V1. Similarly V2A, this be equal to V2B, this be equal to V2. Okay. Now this one, and that is V2, and here I2, and here I2, here I1. Clear or not? Now after that I1 is written as I1A, I1B. I2 is written as I2A plus I2B. Clear or not? Simply I1 is equal to I1A plus I1B. I2 is written as I2A plus I2B. Very simple. Okay. Now I know that I1A, I2A, it is written corresponding to YA into Y1A y2, sorry, v1a and v2a. Okay, means I1 and I2 written corresponding to I1a, I2a, I1b and I2b. Okay, similarly I1b, I2b, that is YB, V1b and V2b. Okay, this one and this one, I know that V1a is equal to V1 and V1b and I2a this is equal to V2, so it is written as YA, that is V1 and V2. Similarly here also V1 and V2. Clear? This one and this one put here, we got YA plus YB, and here V1 and V2, and that is I1 and I2. Okay, this one is written as, this is also written as Y into V1 and V2. Okay, YA plus YB, V1 V2. Okay, now compare, we got finally Y overall, Y is equal to YA plus YB. Very simple. Means if parallel interconnection, then we got Y parameter, and Y parameter is like YA plus YB. First of all, make it. Now next one, third, that is series parallel interconnection. How can make? Series parallel. Series means port 1 in series, port 2 in parallel, port 2 in parallel. Okay, if this one is series, port 1 is in series, means connect like this one, that is V1, I1 and here I1. Clear? Port 2 in parallel. If port 2 in parallel means and connect, that is V2. That is V2. Very simple. And this one is I2. Now port 1 in parallel, port 1 in series, that's why this current are same. I1 this equal to I1A, this equal to, clear? And what about voltage? V1 is written as V1A plus V1B corresponding to port 1. Now corresponding to port 2, I2 is written as I2A plus I2B and V2 is written as V2A plus, sorry, this is equal to V2B. Clear or not? Now that is V1 I2 is written as V1A and that is I2A here, and that is V1B and that is I2B corresponding to here. Okay, now I know that V1A and I2A, it is written as corresponding to ZA, that is ZA. Clear? And here corresponding to I1A and here V2A. Okay, and V1A is equal to I1, so it is written as HA into this is I1 and this is V2. Similarly V2B and I2B, it is written as HB and corresponding to here, that is I1B and that is V2B. Okay, that is HB, that is V1 and V2. Clear or not? So that is, if written here HA and here HB and that is I1 and that is V2. Okay, this one is also written as H I1 V2. So overall H is written as HA and here HB. Okay, so it means if series parallel interconnection available, then overall we got corresponding to H parameter. H parameter is HA plus HB. So first of all make it, then I will discuss corresponding to parallel series. Fourth one, parallel series means port 1 in parallel, port 2 in series. Port 1 is parallel and port 2 is series. Okay, how to be connect? Port 1 in parallel. Parallel means like this one. Okay, this one is connected corresponding to this one, and that is V1. Here I1 and here I1. Okay, so second port in series. So this one is connected here, and that is V2, and here I2 current and here I2 current. Clear or not? Very simple. Now these two, first of all V1 equal to V1A, that is V1B. Okay, and I1 is written as I1A plus I2A, sorry, I1B. Clear? Now here, what about current? I2A, I2B, this is equal to I2, and V2 is also written as V2A plus V2B. Okay, now I1 and V2 make like this one, that is I1A V2A plus I1B, and here that is V2B. Okay. Now after that you can say that I1A and V2A, this one written as that is GA, and here corresponding to V1A and I2A. Okay, so this one is written as GA, and here V1A and I2A. Similarly, that is GB, that is I1B, and this one is also written as V1B, and that is I2B. Okay, if any doubt, then make I1B and that is V2B. Okay, it is written as GB, and here V1B and I2B. Very simple. Okay, V1 V1A is equal to V1, that is GA, that is V1. Okay, and that is I2, and here GB, V1 and I2. Okay, so finally you can write now, and this one is also written as G, and this is V1 and this is I2, and this is GA plus GB, and this one is V1 and I2. If compare this one, we got G is equal to GA plus GB. Okay, GA plus GB. Okay, this is the parallel series combination. Very simple. If this type of combination we got, then determine G parameter GA and GB, and add up of GA plus GB is equal to G. Now last one, cascade interconnection. First of all, make it. Now last one, cascade interconnection. Fifth, that is cascade. Last one, that is cascade interconnection. Okay, now first one, this is network NA. Now next one, that is network NB. There are two network. If connection like this, okay, that is V1 I1, that is V1A I1A. Okay, clear or not? And here I2A, here I1B, corresponding to this one, that is I1A, and that is I2A, that is V2A, that is V1A, V1B. Okay, now I2B, here I2B, and that is I2, here I2, and that is V2, and this is also written as V2B. Okay, Now we got V1 this is equal to V1A and V2A this is equal to V1B and V2 this is equal to V2B. Clear or not? Okay. Now I1B this is equal to minus I2A. Okay. V1 I1 is also written as I1A. Now V1 and I1, this one corresponding to V1A and that is I1A written. Okay. That is TA parameter and it is written as corresponding to V2A minus I2A. Okay. And I know that what about I2A, that is TA like this one. V2A is written as V1B and minus I2A is written as like this one. Okay. And corresponding to V1B and I1B, this one written corresponding to that is TB and here that is V2B and minus I2B. Okay. And that is TB, V2B that is V2 and I2 this is equal to, okay. So that is TA and here also TB, this one corresponding to written V2 and minus I2. Okay. This one is also written as T and that is V2 and minus I2. So overall T is written as TA and that is TB. Make it very simple. Okay. Now so it is clear, we got 5 connection. If this one is cascade connection, then we got TA and TB corresponding to this one. First of all make it, and first series interconnection, second one parallel, third one series parallel interconnection, parallel series, okay, and last one cascade. In series interconnection, Z that is ZA plus ZB. Okay. And if parallel interconnection, that is Y parameter YA plus YB, and series parallel, that is H parameter HA plus HB, and last one that is G parameter is written as GA plus GB. Okay. And last one cascade connection. So if you got corresponding to 5 type connection, then apply direct formula and we got corresponding to answer. Okay. So we have discussed next class based on problem. Okay. How can handle with the help of interconnection method. Okay. How can handle problem corresponding to interconnection method. So first of all make it. Okay.